took out a garage where it like leveled it, sitting on top of cars that were in the garage.
I have a whole new respect for the danger, and it happened very fast.
That was the reaction of Hoosiers just hours after a tornado ripped through their towns back in December. It was in 2015, and you're looking right now at some of the damage left behind. Tornadoes are something we're used to talking about during the spring, maybe even the summer in Indiana.
But they're also possible even in the winter. The Weather Authority meteorologists Krista McEnany and Amber Hardwick show us what's behind this trend.
Ice, snow, and freezing temperatures are types of weather that come to mind during Indiana winters.
But do you think about the threat for severe weather and even tornadoes in winter?
I do not, because I really never experienced any tornadoes for the 10 years I have lived here in Indiana.
I've never thought a tornado would be possible in the winter unless it was like extremely warm, so haven't given that much thought. Is that a possibility?
The answer is yes. Some may believe we lose the chance for thunderstorms during the winter months, but that is not always the case.
We typically wait until spring to practice what to do when a tornado strikes a community. However, trends in recent years may suggest the need to prepare and practice earlier. Severe weather forms when warm, moist air from the Gulf flows north and clashes with dry, cooler air from Canada. While this pattern is more common in the spring, we have actually found an uptick of severe weather during meteorological winter.
In the last 5 seasons, temperatures have been above average and snow totals have been lacking. A warmer pattern such as this sets central Indiana up for the potential for strong thunderstorms and even tornadoes much earlier than you would expect.
It wasn't that long ago that we had 3 tornadoes strike in December, one of which was in Noblesville on December 23, 2015. It was an unusually warm day where temperatures reached record highs in the 60s just before a strong front moved through the state.
Well, what was wild was the entire month of December because there were so many above normal days, unusually warm weather. You had powerful thunderstorms sweep the state, a couple of tornadoes, and here you had a huge temperature drop, and afterwards cleaning up Christmas decorations that were strewn and thrown about by tornadoes and powerful thunderstorm winds just days before Christmas.
There have been 81 tornadoes confirmed in the months of December, January, and February since 1950. 20 of them were in the last 5 years. Winter storm systems can become strong and are capable of producing fast-moving tornadoes. It is not uncommon for them to occur at night. On February 28, 2017, a powerful system brought 2 rounds of severe storms to south central Indiana. Buildings were damaged and trees were snapped in half. 10 tornadoes were confirmed that night, and by the next day it was cold enough outside to produce flurries.
Could we be set up for the potential of an early season tornado outbreak? With the potential of large temperature swings and lack of snowfall so far, we could be in line for a more active pattern in the coming weeks.
I think knowing it's a possibility, I guess I would take it more seriously if I heard the sirens. But until this interview, no, I don't think I would have taken it seriously.
Your family should have multiple ways to get warnings, including having a weather radio and downloading our Weather Authority app.
In the winter, spring, summer, or fall, the Weather Authority is always here to keep you safe when severe storms hit.
Your safety is our top priority.
And here are a few things to keep in mind. If you hear Krista, Amber, Brian, or any of our meteorologists talking about a tornado watch, know that a tornado is possible. Have a shelter plan. Check supplies and be ready to act quickly. If there's a tornado warning, take shelter immediately. That means a tornado is expected. And if you're in a mobile home, get out. Download our Weather Authority app to your smartphone and you can track the weather conditions and most importantly, get severe weather alerts sent to your phone.